Salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Mix it well. Oil. Heat the oil. Coat the wings in flour and fry. Repeat THR process with every wing. Wings done. Separate the wings into bowl. We will mix to different sauce. First, we will make thick sauce. Heat the 2 tablespoon oil. Add chopped garlic. Cook it well. Now we will add garlic sauce. Add fry wings. Mix the wings with sauce properly. Spicy wings ready. Now we will make honey sauce. Add oil. Heat the oil. Add chopped garlic. Cook it properly.